Welcome. Today we are exploring 360-degree feedback. This is a critical tool in modern human resources and talent development. Whether you are an employee, a manager, or an HR professional, understanding this concept can significantly boost professional growth. So, what exactly is it? 360-degree feedback, often called multi-rater feedback, is a system where an employee receives confidential, anonymous feedback from the people who work around them. Unlike a standard review where only the boss talks, this includes everyone's perspective. The name 360 comes from the full circle of viewpoints. You receive input from your manager, your peers, your direct reports if you have them, and sometimes even customers or clients. Crucially, it also includes a self-evaluation, allowing you to compare how you see yourself versus how others see you. Why do companies use this? Traditional reviews often suffer from a single point of bias. Multi-source feedback removes that tunnel vision. It helps you uncover blind spots, weaknesses you didn't know you had, and also highlights hidden strengths that others appreciate. The process typically follows 4 steps. First, you or your admin select the raters. Second, these raters fill out an anonymous survey about your behaviors. Third, a report is generated aggregating the data. Finally, you review this report with a coach to understand the results. It is vital to distinguish this from a traditional performance review. A traditional review looks backward at performance and is often tied to salary. 360 feedback looks forward at behavior and development. It is rarely, if ever, used to determine pay raises. However, it can go wrong. The biggest risk is a lack of confidentiality. If people do not feel safe, they will not be honest. Also, using this data for pay decisions creates a toxic environment. Finally, gathering feedback without a follow-up plan is simply a waste of everyone's time. To wrap up, remember that 360-degree feedback gives a holistic view of your work style. It should be used strictly for development and growth. When done correctly, with anonymity and clear action plans, it is one of the most powerful gifts you can receive in your career.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.